We'll guide you through how to save wireframe in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application on your device. Once it appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser launches, click inside the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter on the keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account. For this tutorial, open one of your recent projects that already contains wireframes. Once the project loads, the edit page will appear with all of your wireframes displayed on the canvas. To save the project as a local copy, click the Figma logo in the upper left corner of the interface to open the main menu. From the available options, choose File, then click Save Local Copy. Figma will automatically download the project to your computer so it can be opened later using the Figma desktop application. If you want to save and share your wireframes as files that can be viewed without installing the Figma application, begin by selecting every wireframe in the project. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all frames at once. Next, move your cursor to the Export section in the right side panel. Choose the file format you want, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or SVG, depending on your needs. After selecting the desired format, click the Export button. Figma will automatically generate and save the exported files, creating a separate file for each individual frame. If you prefer to combine all wireframes into a single exported file, first group all the frames together by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+G. Once the frames have been grouped, repeat the export process using the same settings as before. This time, the group content will be exported together as one file.